Well, hello all again. Well, the last video I've learned to open up knots because you could be caught on film trying and trying to undo a knot and not succeed in it. So I have opened a knot. These are the all kinds of laces and ribbons, and so I have got to sew for the foundation. Let's see, this will be a lot of fragments because there is a lot of in-between work to be done. This is the general idea. A lot of them is nicely packaged in sandwich bags, so it won't get let's say knotted, etc. I also see some other things like little baskets. I have to think about what I want to do with those. But the lace as it is, I also see small bears. Anyway, these are all things I think, just from a little bit looking, that I can sell as is. Maybe this is correct. That's okay. I will have to check it also, because it's probably the original length and might have been taken from it. But all in all, a lot of work to measure and check and to sort, but it is very promising. And the next fragment you will see more when it's sorted, etc. Well, I've sorted out the ribbon and lace, and this is the ribbon and lace section. There are some short leftovers which I may keep apart to use in some of the creations I create, because selling it won't really be useful. They are short length, but in all, it's a nice assortment with kind of the same lace, but all in different colors, and as far as I can tell, reasonable length, because the people, for example, who make historical dresses or costumes, like, they always need a lot of meters. So I will be measuring them so I know what length they are, and put them in on sale, probably on Vinted or in some specialized Facebook groups. And let's see how it goes, but I'm very happy with them, because, as I said, a nice assortment of lace and ribbons. And now I will be sorting the appliques or decorations, etc., etc. So, but first I have to measure, and then I can sort and look at what I've got there. Well, after spending several hours yesterday on measuring the lace, I have now sorted out the applications. Then, as you can see, it's quite a lot, and I think this might be even more work than the lace, because that was only a question of measuring and describing color. But this will be counting and measuring and finding some way of presenting them for selling. As you can see, also quite a lot, so I have a lot of hours of work front of me. That's it, and goodbye to you all.